If you've only been using Notion for notes or task lists, you're missing out. With Notion AI, your workspace can literally think, build, and organize your data for you. Let me show you how crazy this gets. Alright, so I decided to see how far Notion AI can actually go. Like, can it build something for me, not just write stuff? So I asked it to make a simple dashboard, something to track company costs. And within seconds, it built a full employee database with names, salaries, and roles. No setup, no clicking around, just one line of text. Then I said, now add a few sample employees. And it literally filled everything in. Names, data, the works. I'm just sitting there watching it do my job faster than I could even explain it. Next, I asked for a projects database. And boom, new table, complete with project names and descriptions. It even made them sound real. Then I got curious. Can it connect all this stuff? So I asked it to link employees to projects and show how much time each one's allocated. And guess what? Notion AI created a whole new table, linked everything perfectly, and auto-filled random percentages like 75%, 25%, whatever made sense. At this point, I'm like, okay, chill. This thing's building my entire company from scratch. Then I pushed it even more. I said, show me project costs as a chart. And it just did it. Created a clean visual dashboard. No formulas, no dragging columns, nothing. Now, visually, I really wanted a chart instead of just plain tables. So I asked Notion AI to create a visual graph for allocations by employee. It instantly generated one on the allocation page itself, showing how much each person is working on different projects. But I wanted it cleaner, so I said, let's try a bar chart. It updated the view again and created a new chart. This time, we could clearly see Priya Patel is 100% on one project, Rahul Sharma is split 25% on one and 75% on another. Then I thought, what if we try a pie chart? Notion actually told me it doesn't support multiple individual pie charts for each employee, which makes sense. So yeah, the stacked bar looked more logical here. Next, I went back to the company cost tracking page. We already had employees and their allocations, but I wanted to test how it handles bigger data. So I told it, add 10 more employees and 2 more projects. And just like that, it started generating new rows, filling in everything automatically. When I checked the projects database, everything was updated. New projects, new allocations, all linked perfectly. Then I said, update project allocations with new employees, and again, it just did. Finally, I asked it to show a pie chart of salaries by role. It created a visual breakdown, tech lead, DevOps, senior software engineer, each role with its total cost and percentage of the overall spend. And that's when it hit me. You can literally build a complete, visual, and dynamic project dashboard using Notion AI, from data creation to visualization, all through simple text prompts. So yeah, Notion AI isn't just about writing notes or generating text anymore. It's turning into a full-on data assistant that can build and organize your workspace automatically. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.